Hi, this is Jeff, and we are so proud to be able to come to you from our new Naples office. You know, Crystal Clean has been in business for 43 years, and we've been servicing Naples. We have a lot of clients down in deep southwest Florida already, but now we're able to do it even better. We have a workforce of managers and cleaners right here in Naples ready to go. I want to tell you a little bit more about Crystal Clean and why we want to be your next cleaning partner. You know, we came up with 3 words that define our core values, just 3 things that we think are extremely important to doing good business for the betterment of our clients and for our workers and for the company. And it's family, client, company, in that order. Because we know that we all have families and we work with a purpose. We want to take care of our loved ones. We also have our work family. We work together every day and we make sure that we try to get along with each other with as little drama as possible, which is good for you. And of course, as the client, we know that's our center focus. We have to be able to take care of your needs. We come in to clean, to sanitize, to disinfect, to keep you safe, feeling good about the property as you come and go so that the glass shines, the floors are clean, the aromas are clean. That's extremely important. We know that is something that we must do in order to satisfy your need. And then third in line is the company, because we know if we do all these other things correctly, we'll also get what we need out of it. It'll be a good symbiotic relationship for both of us. So again, you know, if you take a look at our website or notice, common area cleaning, that's been our mainstay for a long time. Office cleaning, a lot of large office cleaning. We find ourselves doing more government work, more high-end office work because of the things that we can come up with in the way of staffing and consistency. Medical facilities, that requires some specialty work. But we're there for you. We make sure we stay trained and updated on proper medical procedures. The pressure washing, because we're in Southwest Florida, you're going to need pressure washing. Carpet, tile, grout cleaning. I have a great floor tech I'd love to introduce you to. And then commercial cleaning in general. If there's a question, simply give us a call or look us up on our website. Again, that's www.cleaningnaplesfl.com or 239-936-7700.